Hey, Chris and Viviana. I am in Murfreesboro today doing a video showing. And just for fun, I wanted to send this to you as well. I just checked my map and it's only, today it's Labor Day, but it's 35 minutes to my office in downtown Nashville. So with traffic, it's probably gonna be 45 to an hour, but really nice neighborhood. This is listed for $580. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, almost 2,800 square feet. So that's what you get down here in Murfreesboro. You typically get a little bit more room. And it is a great community. A lot of families moving here as well. And lots here. It's a big city. So just want to show you this tour and let me know if you guys are interested in maybe in Murfreesboro as well. It might be worth a look. Thanks. So I just wanted to film a little bit of the neighborhood, pulling in so you can take a look.
River Rock Boulevard and then turn right.
Pretty nice and quiet.
Turn right onto Sycamore Drive. In 500 feet, the destination is on your right.
So this ends in a cul-de-sac. Looks like there's a family looking at the property right now. I'll wait till they're
You have arrived at your destination.
All right, so here we are at 1518 Sycamore in Murfreesboro. Before we go inside, I just wanted to show you the neighborhood and the street. So we do have a cul-de-sac, which is great for kids. It's Monday, Labor Day. I don't hear anything. Yeah, it's very quiet, beautiful weather today too. Okay, let's head in. Nice long driveway, 2-car garage. See if I can get in there too. So this property is vacant, but they did stage it. So it shows very well. And it's definitely a nice open floor plan. Really nice. Air conditioner works great. So you have a nice eating area, and you can see it kind of spills out to the deck, which you can have another eating area or sitting area. And it's like a nice formica, I think. And then let's go into this room. Laundry room is huge. So plenty of storage. Laundry here. You can also use this for pantry space. And beautiful garage, super clean, spotless. Nice concrete floor. Okay, so let's start with the downstairs area. Here's the first bathroom. Really nice fixtures. Basic tub, shower, black fixtures, those are very nice. And let's go into the first bedroom, which they have set up as a really nice office. Nice ceiling fan. Yeah, I think they're going for like kind of craftsman-y industrial theme with the black hinges and all the black fixtures. So here's the primary bedroom. Nice size. This one's got lighter shades. but it's a big, really nice space here. And seating area here, put your shoes on. And a pretty good walk-in closet. That light went on automatically, that's pretty cool. And walk-in closet number 2. And let's go into the master bathroom. Really good sized bathroom. Shower for 2. Yeah, very well done, very clean. Feels great in here. And the air conditioner works so well. All right. And let's head upstairs. It looks like it's got its own climate control up here, which is nice. So if I turn left, they've got this laid out as sort of a living space, family room kind of thing, which is pretty nice. You could do anything you want with it. And then a guest room, huge guest room. I really like what they did with this. Another huge closet. A lot of these spaces is sort of like a bonus room, but they really split it up and did a great job with it. Really nice fixtures. Walk-in shower. And then another room here for whatever you want. Very nice. Let's go down outside. Okay, so we're back downstairs and let's head out the slider. So really nice sized deck here. And they put a fire pit out here, which is pretty cool. Lots of space out here. Nice metal roof, that's really cool. And I'm gonna see if my key opens that. Hopefully it does, but I'm gonna take you all over here. It's a huge area. So they have a trailer over here. So this could be RV parking. Looks like that fence opens or can open if you want to. Yeah, really well put together place. It's so quiet. All right, wish me luck. All right, good news. It opens. So it's a workshop. Really cool. And there's storage up here too, tons of storage. It goes all the way back to the length of the garage. It's like a second garage. It even has a nice convenient roll-up automatic door. So cool. Yeah, what a bonus, what a great space.